Here we go. So you got National Treasures box break number 5. And this is going to be with primary players. 10:45 Eastern Standard Time. Everybody up in it. Stevie F swinging around my boys' cards. Black Mamba Reagan. Everybody up in it. The Joshy B. All right, let's see what we got. We're cracking open a fresh case. NT. All right, let me get a case of the primary players. So we got a little fresh case of primary players right there for us as well. And here we go. All right. Good luck, and here we go. A lot of thick cards in here. I have no idea. All right, Eric Dickerson, 75 out of 99. 75 out of 99, Eric Dickerson. You got a short print. I'll tell you what, 15 out of 18 going to Philadelphia. My boys' cards, there you go. Jeremy Macklin, 15 out of 18. You would think, in theory, this would be enough. It's not. Justin Houston base, 3 out of 5. So Justin Houston, 3 out of 5 is going to take a commanding lead, to say the least. All right, then you got a Cortland Finnegan, 13 out of 68, going to Tennessee. And then you got a Patrick Peterson, 8 out of 25. Nice little 3-color patch going to Arizona. My boys' cards. 8 out of 25. Another short print. You got Tom Fred Savage, 18 out of 25. Not going to be enough. Oh, Mac. Oh, sweet baby Angel Mac. Oh, you would think 3 out of 5 would take it down. I'm sorry. You just jinxed him. Because this is 2 out of 2. Mario Williams. Nike so whoosh. Mac, hey, listen. I'll tell you what. Rock Chalk, you got to blame that on Mac. Mac just called the game at literally halftime. How dare you, Mac? 2 out of 2 Mario Williams. That, my friends, is going to be a tough one to beat. So Mario Williams going to Buffalo or Shamuff Erlo. And that's going to be Hot Sauce Daddy getting a little so whooshy with it, dude. See? This is the fun part. Then you got Dre Archer, 18 out of 25 going to Pittsburgh. Who's got P-Berg? Where you at? Rock Chalk. All right. E39 goes, oof. All right, so 18 out of 25. Nice Dre Archer. Oh my gosh. Could it get any closer? How about jersey number 5 out of 5? Dude, it's getting close. 5 out of 5. Dude, NT is out of this world. So 5 out of 5. Blake Bortles, 3-color patch auto going to Jacksonville. Zadabi. So close, brother, but still really nice. Blake Bortles. And then Cody Latimer, 27 out of 99, going to Denver. Rock Chalk. 3-color patch, true rookie. Cody Latimer. And those Jets, not going to be enough, though. 47 out of 99, Jace Amaro. the Bills taking it down, an underdog hit at the end. So with 2 out of 2, the Bills take it down. Mario Williams getting swooshy with it. There it is. All right, so you, my friend, that's going to be Hot Sauce Daddy. Got yourself 1 box set of primary players. But dude, I'm telling you, out of NT, stuff's on fire. Even if you don't hit something or even if you don't hit the primary players, you may still hit a huge card. And that's the best part about it. So good luck, buddy. Here you go, Hot Sauce Daddy. And then, here it is. How about a little 8 out of 10 Nolan Ryan? So Nolan Ryan on card out of National Treasures, 8 out of 10. Dude, it was pretty good, right? So nice Nolan Ryan. 8 out of 10 out of National Treasures going to Buffalo. Hot Sauce Daddy taking it down. Doing a whole different format. So we got one more round.